Very good morning, my friend. Most welcome in my channel. We are coming back again with some scientific news updates and a scholarship position in the different part of the world. Either you are thinking for master programs or higher degree programs. Let's start our study research updates. Study led University of Sheffield in UK revealed that how cytochrome B6F proteins significant influence the growth of a plant via photosynthetic pathway. This university find out that cytochrome B6 have a role specifically in the growth of a plant via the photosynthetic pathway. When it was because of the sometime damaging during the stress condition, drought condition, yeah, in the high temperature condition, then these proteins, this cytochrome B6 have play major roles in the growth mechanism of the plants. So how the proteins can works, the proteins in this research, the proteins provide electrical connection between two chlorophyll molecules, photosynthetic 1 and photosynthetic 2. It utilizes electrical current passing through the power as of a proton pumps. What the proton pump is a major role to making the ATP energy transmissions. So these proteins have the connections. They are showing the connection in between photosynthetic 1 pathway and photosynthetic 2 pathway, where the major number of the protons are generated and stored. This stored energy can be used to make ATP, which there is a form of the protons that can be for use to formation of the ATP, which used to turn CO2 into carbohydrate and biomass in the sustainable global food chains. Because of the requirement of the energy during the stress condition, these carbon dioxide converting into the carbohydrate and other biomass products for the formation of the required energy levels. So now we are understand when this mechanism protects plant from the damage during the stress condition, exposure of the harsh conditions such as drought, excessive light. Therefore, the manipulating this complex into growth bigger and healthier plants. So you know that the proper how plant can survive in their harsh condition, yeah, drought condition, yeah, maybe in the different stress condition, just like the human are facing sometimes the problems like stress, yeah, depressions, but he survives, such like the plants also facing such type of conditions. So we need to understand how the plant can manage by using cytochrome B6, a protein especially influence growth in the via photosynthetic pathway. The protein provide electrical signals. I already told you the photosynthetic pathway, the proton battery pump. Proton is required for the ATP synthesis and ATP converting into biomass production of the plants. This response mechanism plant damage in the different conditions of that. So we need to understand in stress condition a management, just like in human beings, that stress a depression condition, how to manage their lives, just like that plant also need to manage according to their stressful conditions by using this type of cytochromic pathway. How can they? You need to go for the more physiological applications. Read this paper. This paper is telling all about the full mechanism how they can manage. Now we are coming in our last section is the scholarship section, where you need to go for the master program, a PhD programs with fully funded scholarships. Then definitely need to apply for the sections, and this scholarship last date is 18th November 2020, and you need to go for must scholarship programs. This is the Japanese government scholarships, and where you can find more about the other things. And if you really want to apply for this section, so you go for the max scholarship in Google section and find all the details there and start your making application. One thing I am telling to you, first you need to make up your offer letter from the university of any university of the Japan's, then you go for the sections. Hope you like my video. If you like, really subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much.